Hello everyone, my name is Miss Madrarua, but you can call me Maddie, and welcome to True Corset's Corset School, where we teach you all the basics and not so basics of corset wear and care. Today, we're going to talk about stealthing. Stealthing is the art of wearing a corset underneath your clothes without anyone knowing you're wearing one. This can be done for a variety of reasons, the most common ones being to achieve a slimmer or more dramatic silhouette, or to help with posture. I'm stealthing right now, and I love the difference it makes in how I carry myself and how it makes me look. Before we get into the best styles of corset for stealthing, we need to talk fit. Fit is very important when it comes to stealthing, because it's easier to hide a corset that fits you well. Be sure to take your measurements very carefully, and to follow the size chart on each specific corset's page, because some corsets can take more compression than others. For stealthing, the most commonly used type of corset is an underbust, so you can wear your own bra, which helps hide the corset even further as the top of the corset falls underneath the bust line. When you stealth, it's very important to choose clothing that hides your corset well. In my case, that means clothing that has elastic or things that have the measurements that you hope to achieve with your corset. For fabric, I prefer to use a mesh corset, such as this one. This is the Playgirl Mesh Cincher corset. It comes in 24 bones or 10. This is the 10 bone version. Her name is Eve. I'm currently wearing the 24 bone myself. Her name is Isabella. I personally prefer the 24 bone version for the added strength and reduction. Both styles come with suspender loops along the bottom, which eliminates the need for a garter belt. This is my favorite fabric for stealthing, as mesh has the best breathability and is comfortable for long-term wear. I live in California, so it can get pretty hot around here, and mesh makes sure that I can stealth all day without worry of overheating. Another option that True Corset offers for stealthing is the Court Royal Ribbon Cincher. As you can see, it has no boning, which makes it almost undetectable under clothing. The ribbon-style construction gives a very smooth silhouette, which makes it a great option for stealthing. The lack of boning also makes this a great option for beginners, or for people who find boning to be too uncomfortable for long-term wear. The ribbon cincher comes in two styles, the Siren and the Tempest, the Siren being the curvier of the two, which allows for a larger difference between your waist and your hip measurement. The ribbon cinchers also have a high cut hip compared to their center bust, which I love because I have high hip bones. They also come with flat ribbon laces, which help it be even more undetectable under clothing. While at the end of the day, style and fabric come down to personal preference, I hope the styles I've shown you today give you a bit of a look into the world beyond the standard cotton corset. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time at the next episode of True Corset's Corset School. Bye!